Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to post a video on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can manage your content and settings. Now that you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel. You'll notice several options listed there for managing different types of content on your profile. Click on Videos. This section is specifically designed for managing all video content associated with your Steam profile, and it's where you'll be able to link and display videos from your YouTube channel. In the right panel, you'll see an option that says Link YouTube Account. Click on this option to begin the process of connecting your Steam profile with your YouTube channel. This connection is essential because Steam doesn't host videos directly. Instead, it pulls them from your YouTube account, making it easy to showcase your gaming content without uploading files twice. After clicking Link YouTube Account, a prompt will appear asking you to access your YouTube videos. Click on Access Your YouTube Video. This will redirect you to a Google sign-in page where you'll need to log into your Google account. Enter your credentials and then click Continue to authorize Steam to access your YouTube content. This authorization allows Steam to retrieve your video list so you can select which ones to display on your profile. Now, although my YouTube account is already connected, the interface has changed for me. Instead of seeing Link YouTube Account, I now see Add Videos from YouTube in the right panel. This is the updated interface you'll encounter once your accounts are successfully linked, so keep that in mind as you follow along. Next, you'll see a list of your YouTube videos appear. Browse through the list and check the box beside the video you want to post on your Steam profile. You can select multiple videos if you'd like to showcase more than one piece of content. Optionally, if you want to associate your video with a specific game, click the drop-down menu in the right panel. This feature is particularly useful if your video is a gameplay recording, tutorial, or review related to a particular title. Selecting the appropriate game helps other Steam users discover your content when they're browsing that game's community. Finally, in the right panel, click Add Video to complete the process. Your selected video will now be posted to your Steam profile and visible to your friends and anyone who visits your page. You've successfully shared your YouTube content on Steam, making it easy for your gaming community to check out your videos without leaving the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.